everybody. I'm so excited. I just had to share with you guys. So I have been, you know, working hard to get my cooking camp set up. I've been working hard to get myself established in our community as somebody that does cooking classes, healthy cooking classes for kids. And because there's a lot of camps, I have to say there are a lot of camps that are just like a baking camp that's just like prepackaged baking, that kind of thing. And there's actually a restaurant that does kids cooking classes, but it's not healthy at all. Well, I just got news today that our Parks and Recs department has officially hired me as the kids healthy and kids healthy eating instructor for the Parks and Recreations department. And I'm so excited because it's going to allow me to open up more doors to bringing my healthy cooking classes to the community. So I'm super, super excited about this. Just hang in there. Keep looking down every avenue, because that's all I've done is keep looking down every avenue and keep sharing your classes. Keep putting them out there. Even if you don't get a great turnout, don't be discouraged, because this is exactly what's happened. I've been doing this now since 2019. I became an instructor in 2018, and since 2019 I've been slowly plugging away at doing classes, and look now what's happening. I really see this as a long-term way for us to make money, once I leave working nursing. So I'm so, so excited. I hope you guys have a great day, and I just had to share.